Hey y'all, check this out. 1957 Ford Thunderbird convertible. It's got the hard top on there that's you can take off and make it a convertible. But the cool thing is about it, you got the little port windows on it. This thing is pretty awesome. 57. Looks really cool. I got this thing all dressed out in the white walls, the thick white wall tires. You know, they got the fins on the back of it. Looks really nice. The white with the I think the interior is black with white, but it's just a cool looking car. These old 57 Ford Thunderbird. This is awesome. Awesome looking. You can see I'm at Maple Motors still, Hendersonville, Tennessee. Check that out. Look at the seats on this thing.
Pretty slick, huh?
Yeah.
57.
Yep. This is a really cool car right here. Just look at the front of that thing.
Yep. Really neat. Remember when those first came out, man? Everybody wanted one.
Yeah. Anyway, y'all watching Bad 76 TA 57 convertible Thunderbird.